Integrator Series Basic Training Chapter 3, Symetrix 761 Platform Software GUI and Operation. After completing this chapter, you should be able to download, install, and open the Symetrix 761 control software, describe the different sections of the user interface, navigate and use the software's menu system, recognize the processing options available on the inputs and outputs, relate software features to the signal path defined in the block diagrams at the end of the chapter. This training is an overview of the Symetrix 761 software. The simple yet powerful graphic user interface, or GUI, provides full control of signal processing including dynamics, feedback elimination, ambient noise sensing, EQ, loudspeaker management, and more. Symetrix 761 software provides real-time setup and control of the 761 from a Windows PC environment. The Symetrix 761 software is downloadable from the Symetrix.co website on the Symetrix 761 product page. Once installed, the Symetrix 761 software is found under Symetrix in the program list of your Windows PC. When opening, the software gives you the choice to create a new Symetrix 761 project file, use an existing file stored on your computer, or pull an existing file currently loaded on the device if it is connected. Regardless of method, once opened, the software allows access to the menus, quick action buttons, and GUI. While the interface has been designed for simplicity, there are many functions available through the menu system and the mixer board. We'll take a quick tour of all the major sections so you can have an idea of where to look for each feature. The Symetrix 761 software has three top-level menus: File, Tools, and Help. Let's take a look at each of them. The File menu contains the file management commands Recently Opened Files and Exit. Similar to options when opening the software, New creates a blank project and Open launches a previously saved project on your computer. You may also choose from a short list of recently opened projects. Save or Save As prompts for a name and location for storage of the currently opened file. Once saved, selecting Save once more will do so without prompts. This will also save to device while online. Save As prompts every time. Exit immediately closes software without prompt. The New, Open, and Save commands are also available as clickable icons immediately below the top-level menus. The Tools menu contains quick access to a number of important functions. Connection Wizard launches the process for connecting to the Symetrix 761 and going online. External Controller Wizard allows management and editing of ARC remotes, GPIO, and ArcWeb. We'll discuss these much more in later chapters. Store Preset does exactly that. Presets can be either global or individual parameter-based. Recall Preset triggers a previously stored preset. Manage Presets allows naming, copying, and deleting of presets. Again, these topics are covered elsewhere in the course. Event Scheduler launches the dialog to schedule presets for a time-of-day recall. Power On defaults allow the unit to power up to a last known state or with a specific preset. Security settings include features such as a password protection. Accessory port settings configures various options for the accessory RS-232 port, as well as various options affecting control via RS-232 and Ethernet. Upgrade Firmware upgrades the device's firmware. Mute all outputs immediately mutes all audio from the DSP outputs. As mentioned previously, never upgrade firmware over a wide area network. If the connection is lost, significant damage may result and require servicing by a professional Symetrix technician. Connection Wizard, External Control Wizard, and Mute outputs are also available as clickable icons immediately below the top-level menus. The Help menu contains Contents and About. Contents launches the Symetrix 761 Help module with extensive information on the setup and operation of the system. About displays software and firmware versions as well as copyright information. Help files are also available as a clickable icon immediately below the top-level menus.